O, sana all. Magabi ka pa umiinom, idol ah. I used to think that love was just a fairy tale until that first love, until that first fight. But if I had to do it all again, babaan ko na lang po ah. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause this love is everlasting. Suddenly, bulong lang ako, bulong. Life has new meaning to me. There's beauty up above, and things will never take notice of. You wake up and suddenly you're in love. Thank you, Katokay TV. Salamat po. Pagkila official, thank you. Dakilang Aswang, sir. Salamat po ha. Sir WC Vlog. Boy, you're everything a girl could want and more. Babaan ko lang po ah. 1,000 words are not enough to say what I feel inside. Holding hands as we walk along the shore. Never felt like this before. Now you're all I'm living for. Suddenly, life has new meaning to me. There's beauty up above, and things will never take notice of. You wake up and suddenly you're in love. Late! Huli pero hindi kulong. I pray this love affair will last forever. Ooh, suddenly, life has new meaning to me. There's beauty up above, and things will never take notice of. You wake up and suddenly you're in love. Ayan, shoutout pala kay Nanay Adal Vlog at kay Mami Our Blessed Life with God from USA. Shoutout po, Mami. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Never take notice of. Wake up and suddenly you're in love. Ayan, thank you so much. Ay, sinipon ako. Grabe. 6.01. Ayan. Thank you so much. Sir, maraming salamat, sir, ha?